Awareness program on Poverty Alleviation Scheme and Paralegal Volunteers was organized today, 19 February 2021, by District Legal Service Authority East Jaintia Hills District at Samasi Village on the Saipung block of East Jaintia Hills District, and around 17 villages in and around of Samasi participated. Chairperson Shri D.S. Marbanyang, Secretary DLSA cum Chief Judicial Magistrate Clarion, spoke on the importance of the various schemes meant for the welfare of all citizens, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, sex, and also how paralegal volunteers are instrumental in providing necessary assistance to the target groups. Meanwhile, D.S. Marbanyang has also identified the Samasi village as a place for setting up a legal clinic and support center. Others who spoke in this program include Shri S. Padang Legal Aid Council, Shri K. Kso, President Clarion Bar Association, Shri R. War, General Secretary Clarion Bar Association Gram Sevak, Shri M. Minso, Pastor, and the vote of thanks was proposed by Shri B. Paslen.